that's working together cohesively with the main goal of reducing stigma and making people more aware of dementia and how we can help people with dementia. My name is Edna Parrott, and my role here is I'm on the advisory committee for this project. We've made an impact in the community. We've provided people with dementia and their caregivers with some supports. There's been a lot of help, a lot of supports in this project in this area, and I'm very thankful for this program and this research. It has accomplished a lot of good, positive things, and I'd like to see that continue.
My name's Amber Harvey, and I'm with Parkland Regional Library, and this project specifically the Yorkton Public Library. We haven't been involved in this project specifically with a project, but we have been involved as a community-based organization. It was such an easy partnership for us to be involved in. We were so interested in learning anything we could about being more dementia-friendly, more dementia-aware. We really just wanted to stay involved of anything that was happening, anything we could learn, educational pieces, anything we could promote as far as awareness of the other projects that were going on. The impacts that we've seen through this project, even just linking the partnering agencies all together locally, doing the good work in our community that we can lean on once the project has ended. So awareness locally of who we can team up with as the Yorkton Public Library and libraries all over our region. We want to better serve our patrons and be aware of their needs. Those are a wide range of needs, so we've learned a lot through this dementia-friendly project.
My name is Lisa Washington. I'm the Manager of Community, Culture and Heritage with the City of Yorkton within the Recreation and Community Services Department. We did the public indoor facility audit. Parkland Valley Sport Culture Recreation District had actually found a consultant in our area who had made connections with people with lived experiences and their care partners for the initial needs assessment in this area. So we hired that consultant to actually put together an indoor public facility audit using the age-friendly and dementia-friendly data. And using those audit tools, they toured our facilities during COVID and made recommendations about the built environment, what needs to change in order to be more age and dementia-friendly. Well, I think we came up with a way that any municipality or any other business or where people have a facility, whether it's public, private, retail space, it's there. The information's there on how to make it better, and the way we did it can be replicated.
Hi, my name's Alana Moore. Myself and Amber were part of the Godfrey Dean Art Gallery Community Engaged Art Project, and so we worked with 12 different participants, artists living with dementia and their care partners. So we worked with people to work towards an exhibition at the Godfrey Dean Art Gallery and really just to develop relationships and an opportunity, a place to make art and share with the goal of reducing stigma and hopefully creating some sense of community and belonging with people living with dementia. This work changes lives, and I've seen it in this project as well as other work I've done with people with dementia. Art has the ability to shift societal attitudes, and I think we've seen that in our project, the shift in stigma, and that's ultimately what the best scenario we could have hoped for.
I was part of the Godfrey Dean Art Gallery's Belong Where You Find Yourself project. One kind of concrete way that we worked towards sustaining the work that we had done was through creating these resource packages or art kits, a series of 50 kits that are somewhere between a game and an art project with some loose instructions that we are aiming to distribute to people across rural Saskatchewan who our Navigating Dementia, and it's an activity that people can do that's very simple and tactile and hopefully has a broad way of being engaged with. So it was very interesting for me to navigate this world of healthcare and health research and share those tools with people.
This project has been so successful. It's working together cohesively with a main goal of reducing stigma and making people more aware of dementia.